Dear students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain a very few problems from the chapter functions, which are a very important models which will help you for your board examinations, JEE mains examinations. Okay, so without wasting our valuable time, so let us start our problems. See, the functional equation is f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y plus xy. So to do this problem, so we want f of x. To make f of x, we want, let us take put y is equal to 0 first here. So let us take put y is equal to 0. So if you put y is equal to 0, what happens? This is f of x, and it is also f of x, and it is f of 0 plus that is also 0. So this f of x gets cancelled. So f of 0 is equal to 0. F of 0 means what? A into 0 square plus b into 0, total will become 0. C is equal to 0. Therefore, we got the value of c is equal to 0. Happy. Let us put y is equal to minus x. Let us put. So if you put y is equal to minus x minus x, f of 0. F of 0 is equal to, so that is f of x plus f of minus x plus x into y. Already x into y value we have putting minus x, therefore this is equal to minus x square. Okay, now f of 0 value is how much? 0 is equal to f of x value means, so ax square plus bx plus c plus f of minus x means what? Wherever x is there, substitute minus x, that is ax square minus bx plus c minus x square. So if you see, already c value is 0, so we can cancel c. Plus bx minus bx is also cancel. Ax square plus ax square, 2ax square minus 1 into x square. Understand? So therefore this implies 2a minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore a is equal to 1 upon 2. A value we got. Already we know c value, a value. Now we can find out b value. How? A plus b plus c is equal to 3. That is 1 by 2 plus b plus 0 is equal to 3. Therefore b is equal to 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2 means what? 6 by 2, that is 5 by 2. So 3 minus 1 by 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 by 5. So you know a value, we know b value, we know c value. So ultimately what is your function? F of x is equal to ax square, that is 1 by 2x square plus bx. B means how much? 5 by 2x. C value is 0. So this is your function. So he is asking f of n. F of n means in place of x put n. Okay na? So let us continue the solution. So here sigma n runs from 1 to 10, f of n. So sigma n runs from 1 to 10. F of n means 1 by 2 n square plus 5 by 2 n. 5 by 2 n. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into sigma n square. Sigma n square means what? Sigma n square value is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Sigma n value is how much? N times n plus 1 upon 2. This is up to 10. So that is equal to 10 into 11 into 2 into 10, 10, 21 upon 6 plus 5 by 2 into n plus 1 into 2. That is 10 into 11 by 2. So you calculate this, you will get the answer 330. So this is your answer. Okay na? So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Welcome to second problem. The second problem is f of kx is equal to f of x, k is equal to 1 upon k sin power kx plus cos power kx, where x belongs to real numbers and k greater than or equal to 1. Then f of 4 minus f of 6 is equal to, so very easy problem. This was asked in 2014. So very easy. First of all, f of 4 means what? This is 1 by 4 sin to the power of 4x plus cos power 4x minus 1 by 6 sin power 6 plus cos power 6, sin power 6 plus cos power 6. Very easy problem this is. So you can do the option verification also you can do. Option verification means what? So here you can put x is equal to 0. You can put x is equal to 0. No need of simplifying. I am doing one shortcut method. Put x is equal to 0. Why? Because it is an identity. So no need to do sin square whole square, cos square whole square, sin square whole cube, cos square whole cube. This is a square plus a square b square type. That means a plus b whole square minus 2ab. No need to do. Put sin x is equal to 0. So this is 1 by 4 into, this is 0, this is 1, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 into, this is 0, this is 1, 0 plus 1, 0. That is 1 by 6. So LCM is 12. So this is a 3 minus 2, 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 is your right answer. Understand this? 1 by 12 is. So why I am explaining this problem is, so you can do this using a short trick, that is put x is equal to 0. You can do. Otherwise you can put x is equal to pi by 2. Otherwise you can put x is equal to pi by 4 also. You will get the same answer. Okay. This was asked in 2014 for 4 marks. 4 marks. Not even 4 steps are also not there. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to third problem. So now I am going to explain 1 or 2 problems regarding domain. So domain problems are also very easy, domain and range problems. The problem is the domain of f of x is equal to sin inverse of x minus 3 upon root of 9 minus x square. So it is a rational function. So rational function means what? Numerator upon denominator. So such type of functions, how to find out domain? So find the domain of the numerator and the domain of the denominator separately, and their intersection part will give the domain of the rational function. Okay, now what is the domain of sin inverse of x? So sin inverse of x always lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So understand. So what is the domain of sin inverse of x? Sorry, if it is sin inverse of x, x lies between minus 1 to 1. So the domain of sin inverse of x is minus 1 to 1. Understand this. So here also x minus 3 should lie between minus 1 and plus 1. Okay, now right. So we want 3. That's why add 3. That means if you add 3, this is a 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Call it as equation number 1. So coming to denominator, root of 9 minus x square. Obviously this should be 9 minus x should be strictly greater than 0. Why? Because it cannot be equal to 0. Why? Because so the total fraction is in total function is in the denominator, right? So this is x square minus 9 is less than 0. So this is x plus 3 into x minus 3 less than 0. So let us write it on the number line. So this is we will have, this is a minus 3. Afterwards we have 2, we have 3, we have 4. So here 2, 4 is there, minus 3 plus 3 is there, right? So so first thing, 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to means what? So where x value lies between 2 and 4 including 2 and 4, right? X plus 3, x minus 3 less than 0 means, so x lies between plus 3 and minus 3. Okay, now x lies between plus 3 and minus 3 and plus 3. Is it the common part? Yes, it is a common part. Therefore what is the domain? So your domain is given by closure bracket 2 but open bracket 3, closure bracket 2 comma open bracket 3. This is the domain of the given function. It was asked in 2004 AEEE examination. Okay, it is also a asked in competitive examination. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to fourth problem. It was asked in domain of a sum of two functions. This is also the same type. So whenever such a type of sum of two functions or difference of two functions is given, find the domain of two functions separately and their intersection part will give the final answer. Okay. Now what is the first function here? So this is the first function, that is 3 upon 4 minus x square. So our aim is to concentrate on x. Here the x is in the denominator. That means 4 minus x square is in the denominator. That's why always the denominator cannot be equal to 0. That means 4 minus x square cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, x square cannot be equal to 4. X square cannot be equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. Now, coming to that problem. So, log of x cube minus x to the base 10. So, logarithms are defined only for positive real numbers. That means x cube minus x greater than 0. So, first you can take x common, x square minus 1 greater than 0. Afterwards, x into x plus 1 into x minus 1 greater than 0. Okay. So, we have the sign scheme. Sign scheme we have, that is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. So, here what is that? 0. What is the x plus 1 g? What is the 0 of x plus 1? Minus 1. X minus 1 0 2. Sorry, x minus 1 1. So, here plus or minus 2. Already here minus 2 is there. Here plus 2 should be there. So, it is already given that x cannot be equal to minus 2 and plus 2. Now, what is the sign scheme? We know that up to here minus 1 0. This is plus minus plus minus. Understand this? We want only greater than 0. Greater than 0 means what? So, from minus 1 to 0. From minus 1 to 0. So, what is your domain? So, here open bracket minus 1 comma 0 up to here minus 1 comma. From this minus 1 onwards whole negative will come. We do not want negative, only greater than 0. Union from 1 upon total positive. From 1 to right side everything we want. From 1 to right side everything we want. But the thing is in between 2 is there. So, that is why you break there. So, that is you can write it different way. So, here open bracket 1 to 2 union 2 to infinity, like that you can write down 1 to 2 union 2 to infinity, 1 to 2 open bracket 2, here also open bracket. So, both there everywhere 2 is there, here 2 is not there, open bracket open that. From 1 to infinity everything comes. Okay, now. So, very easy problem, and I hope that you understand this. This intersection part only we have taken, therefore the solution is completed. Okay, na? I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us go for next problem. Welcome to fifth problem. The largest interval lying in minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 for which the function is defined. So, if you observe, the largest interval lying in, the largest maximum interval that we have to find out, which is lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, for which this function is defined. That means we have to find out the domain of the function, this given function. The domain should lie between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. If it is gone beyond these limits, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, then we will cut short it. Minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Okay, now let us see that. First we will find out the domain. What happens you see. So, the function f of x has a sum of 3 separate functions. Right. First of all, first function is 4 power x square, as x can take any real number. So, that can be defined. Therefore, for first function the domain is set of real numbers, no problem. So, coming to the second function, cos inverse of x by 2 minus 1. What is the cos inverse of x domain? Minus 1 to plus 1. Okay. So, that is why minus 1 less than or equal to x by 2 minus 1 less than or equal to 1. We want x value. That is why plus 1. So, if you plus 1 0 less than or equal to x by 2 less than or equal to plus 1 means 2. Multiply with 2. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. This is for second function. Okay, now. Coming to third function, log of cos x. We know that cos x is log is defined for only for positive real numbers. That means here cos x is greater than 0. So, in which intervals cos x is greater than 0? So, if you draw the graph, actually we can easily draw. So this is 0, this is pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2. So this is a 2 pi. Coming to here, this is minus pi by 2, this is a minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 like this. So this is 1, cos 0 is 1, pi by 2, pi 3 pi by 2. So it will come like this. So if you observe, in our interval, we actually cos is positive in the intervals minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, again 3 pi by 2, again 5 pi by 2, this side minus 3 pi by 2, minus 5 by 2. In these intervals, cos x is positive, but our restriction is there. He already restricted us, already restricted. What is the restriction? The domain should lie between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That's why. So this is our required domain for that function log of cos x. That means minus pi by 2 less than x less than plus pi by 2. Understand? Right. Now we have to combine these two functions. We have to combine these two functions. Now how to combine? So here numbers are there, here pi's are there. How to do? How do we combine? So already we know that pi means 22 by 7. 22 by 7. 22 by 7 means how much? 1.414. Okay, na? Nearly approximate pi value is 3.14. 3.14. I forgot. I wrote root 2 value 1.414. So 22 by 7 is 3.14 approximately. What is pi by 2 value? This is 2 ones are 2. So here 11 is there. 2 ones are 2, 11. That means 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are approximately 1.58. So this is equal to minus 1.58 less than x less than plus 1.58. Plus 1.58 approximate value is. So now coming to your number line. So this is a minus 1.58. This is a plus 1.58 and it is a 0 and it is 4. Understand this? Now first interval is x lies between 0 and 4. So this is your x lies between 0 and 4 including 0 and 4. The second interval is x lies between minus pi by 8 plus pi by 8. Minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Is it not the common part? Is it not the common part? Yes, it is the common part. Therefore, what is your domain of the given function? Domain of the given function is closed bracket 0. 1.58 means what? Pi by 2. Open bracket. Pi by 2 open bracket. So this is the largest interval. We cannot expand this. We can up to this only, it is satisfying, and 0 to pi by 2 lies in the given interval. 0 to pi by 2 lies in the given interval. Therefore, this is the largest interval that is defined, this function is defined. In this, you can take up to here also. You can take up to here also, you can take this, for in this interval also, the function is defined, but he wants our largest interval, that is closed bracket 0 to pi by 2. Okay, na? So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Let us see that there is a function defined from 0 to infinity, here also 0 to infinity. That for that function f of x is equal to x upon 1 plus x. Then f is defined as 0 to infinity, that means set of positive real numbers. Here also 0 to infinity, set of positive real number. That means domain and codomain both are set of positive real numbers. So f of x is equal to x upon 1 plus x is given. Then we have to show, we have to say whether it is a 1 1 and onto function or whether 1 1 and but not onto now. It is onto but not 1 1. So neither on 1 1 nor onto. Now how to do this problem? So why I have chosen this problem is, so to show that a function is 1 1, there are two methods. The first method is, so given a function f of x1 is equal to f of x2, after a sequence of steps we have to get x1 is equal to x2. That means if the images are equal, their corresponding elements also should be equal. That means no two elements have the same image. That's why you can proceed like this. Another method is, second method is very, very important. That is, the thing is, all increasing functions are 1, 1 functions. All increasing functions means this. All increasing functions are 1, 1 functions. So already we have explained about the horizontal test. So if you draw a horizontal line, it will intersect the line at 1 and only 1 point. That's why I already explained that about horizontal test. So that means to show that it is an increasing function, we know that f dash of x strictly greater than 0. Understand this? So if you are able to show that f dash of x is greater than 0, the problem is over. Okay, na? So let us see that f dash of x. So in a calculus, you know how to find out f dash of x. So that is a x by 1 plus x, u by v formula. That is a 1 plus x into 1 minus x into 1 plus 0, 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. 1 plus x whole square. Let us see that what happens. So here plus x minus x cancel, 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. It is always greater than 0. It is always strictly greater than 0. Understand? For whatever may be the x value from 0 to infinity, whatever may be the value substitute is always greater than 0. That means what? It is an increasing function. Increasing function means what? 1, 1 function. Always, whatever may be the function given, first find its derivative. Its derivative is, if it is greater than or equal to 0, then that function is an increasing function. Understand? So that's why I have selected this problem. You can prove like this also. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 method also you can prove. Otherwise, x1 is equal to x2 implies f of x1 is equal to f of x. That means in the both direction. In both ways you can put. Okay, na? So if you prove that f dash of x is greater than 0, the problem is over. So it is a 1, 1 function. Let us check whether it is an onto function or R2. Onto means what? Codomain is equal to range. Already codomain is there, 0 to infinity. Find out range. You know that how to find out range. So range is equal to y is equal to x upon 1 plus x. So this is equal to y plus yx minus x is equal to 0. So this is equal to y minus 1 into x is equal to minus y. Therefore, x is equal to y upon 1 minus y. X is equal to y upon 1 minus y. To define the x value, y value also should be defined. So this function y upon 1 minus y is defined when y is not equal to 1. So what is your range? Set of all real numbers except 1. Set of all real numbers except 1. If you take 1, here your x is not defined. Your x value is not defined. Understand? So that's why in the range definitely you won't get 1. But here codomain it is given what? 0 to infinity. That in this 0 to infinity 1 is also there. But here range, in the range you are not getting 1. That means what? 1 is free. 1 is free. So in this 1, for 1 nobody is taking care. Nobody is loving 1. Okay, now 1 is empty. It is alone. That's why is it a 1, 1 function? It is onto a function? No, it is not a onto function. So from this conclusion, we say that f is a 1, 1 function, but not onto function. Clearly. So from this method, what you have to understand means to show that a function is a 1, 1, just to find its first derivative. The first derivative is a greater than 0. It is an increasing function. All increasing functions are 1, 1 functions. Understand this? I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. The function f from R to minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. So domain is set of real numbers and the codomain is clearly it is restricted from minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 defined as f of x is equal to x upon 1 plus x square is. So this is options are as usual, just like a previous one, 1, 1 onto, 1, 1 but not onto but not 1, 1, neither 1, 1 nor onto. Okay, right, let us check this. By some problems you may say that, sir, by say taking f dash of x we can say that it is a 1, 1 or not checked. But there are some problems which by general verification we can say that. Why? Because see here, f of x is function is given, no? Just to find out f of 1 by x, you see what happens. 1 by x, you see what happens. Wherever x is there, substitute 1 by x. This is 1 by x upon 1 plus 1 by x square. So this is a x will get cancelled, x will come in the numerator. Again you are getting 1 plus x square. Again you are getting f of x. So that is the specialty of this function. That means in place of x, if you substitute 1 by x, again you are getting f of x. That means for x and 1 by x, same image. For x and 1 by x, same image. That means two elements have the same image. Therefore, it is not a 1-1 function. So I will prove it. In a general example also we can take f of 2. This is a 2 by 1 plus 4, 5. You will get 5. Take f of 1 by 2. So this is a 1 by 2 upon 1 plus 1 by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2s are will cancel it, 2 will come in the numerator by 5. That means for 2, image is 2 by 5. For the element 1 by 2, image is 2 by 5. Therefore, it is not a 1-1 function. But what function? If it is not a 1-1 function, what type of function it is? It is a many to one function. Many to one function. Clear? Clear. Understand? So there are certain functions are there. So which by observation we can do. So to do this, either to check whether it is onto or not. So the procedure is, so let y is equal to x upon 1 plus x square. Y plus yx square minus x is equal to 0. So this is equal to yx square minus x plus y is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in the variable x. As x is a real number, x belongs to R, x is a domain is R. X is a real number means what? It intersects the x-axis at somewhere, at one point or more than 1 point, 2 point. Okay, now that means its delta should be greater than or equal to 0 since x is a real number. Okay, now so what is the delta? Delta means b square minus 4ac. B square means 1 minus 4ac, 4y square greater than or equal to 0. Okay, that means 4y square minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So this is a 2y plus 1, 2y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So from this we can say clearly, so this is minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to y, less than or equal to plus 1 by 2. So what is your range? Minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. What is your codomain? Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Both are closed. So codomain is equal to range. Codomain is equal to range. Therefore, it is onto function but not 1-1 function. Therefore, it is not bijection. Therefore, inverse is not possible. Ultimately, the given function is not invertible. So, from this problem, what you have to observe? What you have to observe means, given a function, so don't straight away start the f dash of x or f of x1 is equal to f of x. Just by observation, if x is there, 1 by x, same you are getting f of x. That means for x image is same, 1 by x is also same. It is not a 1-1 function. From this we can get one definition. That is, if f of x is equal to f of 1 by x, that is not a 1-1 function, it is a many-one function. Okay, na? So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class. Okay, with some more problems, some more variety of problems, tomorrow class I will present before you. Until then, all the best.